It's a day like any other at Central High School in Manchester. The campus, a hive of student activity. Everything is as it should be, right up until the moment a gym teacher notices someone with a backpack and a firearm.
Seconds matter. In fact, seconds are crucial in an active shooter situation at a school.
But in a matter of moments, the teacher relays the critical information, allowing for safe technology to make the simultaneous notification of faculty, students, parents, and law enforcement about this threat.
And all units, please respond to the high school for a male with a firearm.
All this does is enhance our response time. It enhances the safety of the children and the school teachers that are in the school, and it also notifies the parent.
At this point in the situation, information has been sent through the S.A.F.E app that the gunman has entered the school through the east side of the building, where students and teachers have received instruction to shelter in place, while those on the west side are told to evacuate.
People in the school who have the app could actually send out a message to law enforcement. We take that information and we can get it to the officers who are responding there in real time.
With students and faculty safely locked down in the east side of the building, the gunman makes his way toward the west side of the building in search of potential victims. What he doesn't know is that area of the building has already been evacuated thanks to the S.A.F.E app instruction. As worried parents rush toward the campus, the app is also used to direct them to a staging area for updates and out of harm's way.
And that's a piece of an active shooter situation at a school or a critical event happening at a school that often gets overlooked. The parents responding to the school.
Please give me the last known location of the subject with the handgun.
Armed with accurate and real-time information, police are able to limit the potential for chaos and confusion and focus their efforts on apprehending the would-be shooter. It is during this critical time where the difference is made between an outcome of mass bloodshed or a suspect in police custody before a shot is ever fired.
We want to be able to protect those children, save those children. We want to stop the event as soon as possible. For me, the S.A.F.E app is a no-brainer. The solution that is ready to be implemented, and I think the S.A.F.E app is something that should be instituted in all schools all across the country as soon as possible.